What is going on, guys? It is Corey from designsbyifr.com. Welcome back to another video, progress 2 of the LoserFruit custom PC build. I won't keep you waiting for long. Let's get straight into it. Hope you all enjoy, and if you like content like this, consider subscribing. We have lots of other content on the channel, which I'm sure you guys will enjoy. Starting things off, we do have this backplate all painted up. We also have all of the vinyl installed, and we are actually peeling this back to reveal the shapes underneath. We have the HyperX logo, which we will be peeling back. We painted white on the back side, and we also painted some pink on the back side, so the HyperX text lights up pink. And you can see that a bit of the pink is coming through on the edges there and in through the front, but that is no problem. We're going to be going through with some white paint afterwards, after all of this is peeled back, and it will turn out really nice, guys. The PSU cover is turning out really cool with the pink text on the back being painted. Then we have the white coming through with those shapes that we created using the vinyl. And of course on the front, we're using the black to highlight everything. Keep it all that same color theme. This will be going in front on the build to highlight the PSU cover. Now this is all made on 3mm thick clear plexiglass. And you can see that we are taping it up, getting it ready for paint. We'll do about 3 coats of paint. We are using the brand British Paints. This is a really nice paint finish. It lays really flat, and I'm very happy with the results that this paint is able to bring. Hope you guys are enjoying so far, so let's keep on modding. I hope you guys are all enjoying, and before we can continue with any custom parts, guys, we need to get some of this hardware in the system. Installing the CPU, you can see that we are using a Ryzen CPU on an Aorus motherboard. Certainly a great combination for LoserFruit. That will help with all her video editing, rendering, and of course her encoding that she goes through every day by streaming. So we're going to be installing this CPU water block, and of course we're going to be putting all of the hardware in the system so that we can measure up where we need to create some custom channels and parts for the water cooling loop, and of course to make this beast look awesome. Pretty sure you should have hit that like button by now. What's going on, guys? Thank you very much for watching progress 2 of the custom PC build for LoserFruit. I hope you're all enjoying the process. We have plenty more to go. If a few of you guys have been tuning into the live streams, you'll notice that we haven't been doing them much anymore on this PC build because we don't want to give away the final process. We want to make a kick-ass final video for you guys with lots and lots of content in it. So I don't want to sort of spoil the end result, if that makes sense. We do have a custom panel in the back here, which I have a bit of plans for. I don't want to give too much away yet, but hopefully you guys are enjoying. Remember to check out our website as well. It is currently going through construction at the moment. It's getting a full brand new update, www.designsbyifr.com. You can actually order custom backplates, custom PSU shrouds and things like that as well. So if any of you are interested, even vinyl stickers, feel free to either send me an email or visit the website. And hopefully you guys are enjoying the progress. We'll see you guys in the next one, and don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below.